Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is a Carrier Easy Flex filter replacement. Check with your HVAC technician if you're not sure what you're doing, but I got the power off, and basically just open that door. Actually, that end cap came off, but this is the filter here, and it just slides out. One thing to pay close attention to is the airflow direction. You can see this one that was professionally installed, it's pointing that way. So when I put the replacement filter in, obviously I want to make sure that that the airflow is pointing that way. So basically all you do, just pay attention to this, and then make sure that your replacement filter is the same spec. You can see there, that's what I had, and then the replacement one, same spec. And you can check the link within this video's description to find where to order this filter online, but they come in a variety of different sizes and stuff. But these are the ones I'll use. So basically all I'll do is take this out of the box and then check the airflow direction, pop it in these end caps, and then slide it back in, and then screw that door closed. Do it every 6 months. I use the Google Nest, so it alerts me when it's time to change my filter. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. youtube.com/Irix Guy. And again, check the link within this video's description to find the filter like I'm using for mine. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.